Guys, today we're making Mauby drink. Let me tell you, this Mauby bark makes a refreshing drink. It has a bittersweet flavor, and this bark is quite popular in the Caribbean countries. It derives from the trunk of a tree, and we are going to make a refreshing drink with it. You need to pour it over some ice, guys, and once you see the froth, you know you got a good old-fashioned Mauby. And this Mauby goes well with a good old-fashioned coconut bun. So let's get started. Over here I have some Mauby bark, which is about 1 ounce of Mauby because it's extremely bitter, so you don't want to use much. I have some aniseed, some cloves, some orange peels, and some spice. So I'm going to add 8 cups of water into a pot over medium heat, and then I'm going to add the Mauby bark and all the spices. We want to bring this to a boil and let this boil for a long 10 minutes, all right? Once it starts to boil, it's going to get a beautiful golden color, just like this. And after 10 long minutes, we're going to turn the stove off and leave it in the pot to cool completely for another 5 to 6 hours. At that time, the color of the Mauby liquid is going to change to a dark brown color, meaning that the Mauby bark and the spices was well drawn. All right, we leave it there to draw. That's what we say. And right away you can see we got some froth in here. What I like to do is to pour my mixture over into a plastic container using a sieve, making sure that the spices does not go into there. So once I'm done straining this, I'm going to add 3 cups of water again. Remember that this is extremely bitter at this time. Then you're going to add some sugar and sweeten to taste. I'm not using any essence in this, guys, because I'm going to be using cream soda. Cream soda already has essence in it, okay? And the cream soda also helps to contrast that bitterness from the Mauby and bring it back to, what should I say, a good tasting Mauby. It's not bitter, but it's like bittersweet, but it's a drink that is refreshing and you can handle, you can drink it. Give it a nice stir. You can see all that froth there, and then I'm going to cover it and let this sit again for another 6 hours. This is allowing my Mauby to get ripe. After 6 hours, I'm going to remove the cover, and you can see directly into this mug that my Mauby still has froth. So I'm going to stir it and let you see. I like to play around Mauby. Once it gets froth for me, I feel I'm doing a great job. This is the real good old-fashioned Mauby. Pour it into your serving mug, guys, and you need to pour this Mauby over a glass with some ice, and you're gonna still see that froth rising to the top. And this is our old-fashioned Mauby, guys. It is tasty, it is refreshing. You can't go wrong with a Mauby like this. If you're from Guyana, then you would know what I'm talking about. You get a good old coconut bun to go with this Mauby, and here you have it. Refreshing, simple, easy. It is also known that Mauby has a lot of health benefits, and you can check that up. So subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon.